We back. I told y'all I got some surprises. This one is for the Civic. The other two is for the Speed 3, but that's another video we're not gonna talk about. It's kind of brisky, so if you hear the wind blowing, don't mind that. I'm gonna try to hide it as best as I can. So we about to go ahead and unbox this and see what it is. Man, let's get it. As you can see, it's boxed very well. Couple steps now, so I'm talking before I start. I have to remove the intake box. I gotta remember where these hoses go, because that's gonna be a big part, and that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the box off. So now you have to remove this hose, this plug, this hose. So bear with me. So you saw me tighten, hook back up, hook the breather hole to the valve cover. So after that, now it's time for a start.